Good morning guys, good morning my viewers. Again, I'm John Denver Obaneriudike of Team Programming TV. Last meeting, I already demonstrated or do an example on how to install Django in Python using the Visual Studio. In this session, I will demonstrate on how to do the request and response. So let us now proceed. So continuation lang nung previous topic natin, which is yung pag-install ng Django. So now, to create polls, we need to input this command, python manage.py startup polls. So after entering that, we are now going to open the Visual Studio, click File, and Open File. Ang kailangan natin is hanapin natin yung my site na nakapaloob dun sa virtual environment name natin, which is yung Denver. So, Open File, punta tayo sa desktop, Denver, and so Denver muna. Click natin itong folder na to and open. So, select folder. So, ito na siya. To migrate the polls, we need to type this input, to migrate, and it will create the app directory that contains admin, applications, models, etc. And it will create a directory polls. So, to open the view in poll using the VCS, select the folder that contains my site. So, nagawa na natin. So, punta tayo sa polls, views, and we are going to type this. Example coming from the internet. So just copy the example code and paste it on the view index in the polls section. So ayun na, nakopy na natin and paste. The next one is to put this symbol, yung ito siya. So that is for the creating polls, and we're going to save it. The next one is the request and response. So from Django HTTP import, HTTP response, the hello world will display in our browser. So ito yung goal natin, may display siya dun sa browser. So to create URL configuration in polls directory, create a file called urls.py in the polls section. So ito siya, yung polls natin, right click, then new file. So ang kailangan nating ilagay is urls.py. Then select or press enter. So ito na siya. Your environment is created, and we are going to copy and paste another example coming from the internet, which I already did copy. So ito siya. Just copy and paste it here and save. So from Django URL import path, you're going to save it. The next step is to point the URL configuration in polls.url in my site. So my site. hanapin natin yung URL. So, ito yun. From Django URL import path. So, ito yun. We are going to add include beside the path. So, ito yun, no? Ito yung path natin. We're going to add include. So, yan. Then, in URL patterns, we will add the we're going to add this code. So, yung mga kinakopy ko is nanggaling na siya sa internet and nilagay ko na siya sa notes para mas madaling i-copy. So, this one. Let's save it. Now, it is migrated, no? Yung URL dito, nalagay na natin. Sa views, nalagay na natin. And our goal is mapalabas tong hello world dun sa ating browser. So, the next step is to open the command prompt. Double check, dapat nakasave tong tatlong to. The next step is to input the python manage.py run server. And press enter. So, another link is generated. So, just copy it and paste in here. So, same link lang naman na yung nag-display. Ang kailangan lang natin idagdag is yung polls. So, from this link, we're going to add this dash and polls. So, that's it. Nag-display na yung hello world, you're at the polls index. So, yung sa views, no, yung naka-display dito, tinawag siya ng url.py, which is yung index. From views, index, tapos yung name, which is yung hello world, you're at the polls index. And after putting the example code here, tatawagin naman siya nung my site, nung url.py dun sa my site, which is ito. Yun na yung pag-migrate ng database nyo. So, this is our request by putting this example code here. And our response is our output, which is lumabas na sa web or dun sa browser natin yung hello world. And that's it for today's video. That's it for today's session, and thank you for watching.